Alright, so we'll start off in our stamina bar. Select your progress bar and come over to the right side and look for the render opacity. I'm going to set this to 0. Then click with your stamina bar selected, go down and select the animations. Add new animation. I'm going to do fade stamina. Select that, add a track for the progress bar, and then add a render opacity track. And set it to 1. And add the keyframe. I'm going to slide it to 0.15, you could do however long you want. And then put it to 0, add the keyframe. And you can slide back and forth to preview it. Then select your stamina bar and add another one for show stamina. Add a track. And then the render opacity. And this is just going to be to 0.1 and it's going to be 1 for both. Now we're going to go into the graph and we're going to make a custom event for fade out stamina. And another custom event for stamina active. And then we're going to grab our animations, fade stamina and show stamina, drag out from them and do play animation forward. Plug that in, compile, save that, close that, and now for this next part, I have my stamina located in my in-game screen, which I have created inside my HUD here, which is being added to the viewport. So I have that variable, and these are the two widgets that I have inside my other widget. So inside your character, if you have it in here, if you're creating your widget in here, that's fine. You won't have to do this part, but if it's inside your HUD, you'll want to get your player controller and then get HUD. And then cast to your in-game HUD or whatever you have yours called. If you already have stuff attached to begin play, you could get that sequence there. Then from here I'm going to get my in-game screen and promote this to a variable. Now I'm going to go up to the stamina. At the start here, there's this branch here that'll check to see if you're moving faster than 0. That's not something that was in the other tutorial. So I'm going to get my in-game screen and get my stamina, and then I'm going to call that event for stamina active and plug that in here. And then I'm going to go down here and get my in-game screen again, get my stamina. And then I'm going to get fade out stamina and plug it into this true. Compile, save. So if your stamina is already located inside your character, then you can just get your stamina from there and call those events. Now you can test it out. So if I start sprinting, it's active. And then when it fills up, it'll fade out. I only have a small fade out animation, so it goes pretty fast. Thanks for watching.